False alarms occur for different reasons with varying consequences, and some of these very unpleasant because they lead to operational downtime. This can desensitize your employees. Then, in a real emergency, they won't react. False alarms simply cost money. One rarely noticed cause is electromagnetic radiation. It can't be seen, but it is everywhere. It's caused by fluorescent tubes, energy-saving lamps, electric motors, and Wi-Fi's, among other things. And this type of radiation is on the increase, significantly, because a large number of everyday items will be causing it, due to growing e-mobility, and through the future networking of machines and devices which communicate with one another. This will also cause a dramatic increase of electromagnetic interference. Is there a solution to this problem? Yes. The answer is a superior fire detector. The AVENAR Detector 4000 from Bosch. It identifies fire the moment it starts, and with absolute reliability, thanks to its sophisticated sensors and outstanding intelligence. It is the result of a unique algorithm called Intelligent Signal Processing, ISP. With ISP, the AVENAR Detector 4000 analyzes every signal that is sent from the smoke sensor, the heat sensor, and the CO sensor. This increases its resilience to false alarms and reduces detection times dramatically. Detector types with dual ray technology are particularly effective at identifying the tiniest traces of smoke early. They have two optical sensors, one with an infrared and one with a blue LED. Thanks to their different wavelengths, the detectors are able to measure the exact density and size of the smoke particles. This way, they can distinguish, for example, between cigarette smoke and a real fire. And the AVENAR Detector 4000 can do even more. It collects data on nearby sources of electromagnetic interference and analyzes it. This way, the technician can already perform a comprehensive cause analysis during installation and immediately take measures, by installing it in a different spot, for example, or by neutralizing sources of interference by moving them or shielding them more efficiently. Additionally, the Bosch AVENAR Detector 4000 can register new sources of interference during operations and send the data to a fire detector control panel for analysis. Its superior intelligence makes the Bosch AVENAR Detector 4000 indispensable in areas where electromagnetic radiation is particularly frequent or intense, for example in airports, factories, and computer facilities, but also in power plants, schools, hotels, and hospitals where the safety requirements are especially high. And of course, every location where false alarms are very annoying. So basically, in almost every office. The new Bosch AVENAR Detector 4000. Safety made by Bosch.